Hello everyone, what's going on? I hope that you are passing very good time with your family member as well as I'm fine and dandy by the mercy of Almighty Allah. This is Mamun here today, English with Mamun. Side by side, you know that I'm from countryside. It doesn't matter. If I want to learn English, I can practice English every single day. You know that we don't stay in English speaking country. I mean, we don't live in English speaking country. That's why English is so hard for us. We can't improve our speaking skills without practice. You know that our mother tongue Bengali, for that Bengali is easy for us. If we want to learn English, if we want to improve our speaking skills, first of all we have to practice English every single day. You know that there is no easy way to learn English quickly without more practice. For that, today in this video I will explain how we can improve our speaking skills. It is so important for our English learner. You know that I'm from countryside. Like this way I can practice my English every single day. Like this way I make English video every day. It is so important for me. Side by side I have no VIP place where I will practice my English, where I will speak with my friends. For that I have taken this way to practice my English, to improve my speaking skills. Side by side, you know that I had no speaking partner who could help me when I was beginner. That time I used to practice my English in my field. I used to practice my English in front of my camera. Like this way I improved my speaking skills. It is so important for me. Side by side, if you want to learn English quickly, now I will give you three important tips. It is so important for you. It is so important for my English learner. First of all, I will explain you can practice English regularly. Like this way you can describe anything in English, what you are doing in your field, where you are going. You try to describe all things in English. It is so important for you. Number two, you can listen English speaking video every single day. It can be YouTube video, it can be English TV shows, it can be English cartoon, it can be English movies. Like this way you can listen English speaking video every single day. Number three, when you will be free, you try to speak with your siblings, you try to speak with your foreign friends, you can speak with your English teacher. It is so important for you. If you are English learner, you can follow these three tips. I hope that success will come definitely if you practice English regularly. Side by side I want to share with you, I had no partner who could help me, who could speak with me. It doesn't matter. I know that practice makes a man perfect. For that, when I get free time, I try to spend my free time in front of my camera in my field. Like this way I practice my English every single day. It is so important for me. Side by side, at present I'm following British accent. When I make English video in front of my camera, that time I try to speak in British. It is so important and it is my favorite accent. So keep practicing, keep making English video. You can enjoy your valuable time with your English speaking partner. Keep practicing, keep making English video. See you next time.